Hey, it's Nathan. Finally, the day has come where I can proudly introduce you to the robot I've been working on for 9 months. It was hard, to be honest. But you know what? It's better to train AI once and trust it rather than stressing out every time you train. I could probably get great results on my own, but why go through the extra effort? Life's already full of complications, so growing your income should be simple. If you agree with me, this video is for you. Let's put my bot to the test. Alright guys, we're starting today with 150. Let's select our team. 3 pairs will be enough. No need for any other adjustments. We don't need indicators because we've got our miracle robot that's gonna handle everything for us. Alright everyone, less talk, more action. Let's go. Alright, the robot has already analyzed the first pair. It's telling us to go up. I totally agree since I can see that the candle is trying to break through the support level, but I doubt it will succeed. And there it is. Let's be honest, that wasn't too hard. The American actor Spike Jonze once asked an interesting question. Is artificial intelligence less than ours? And honestly, as we transfer our knowledge into these robots, we might just end up in a situation where the student surpasses the teacher. What do you think? Personally, I wouldn't mind my bot outperforming me and hitting even bigger results. In this case, I'd happily be a student of my own creation. Kind of a cool feeling. The win rate of my bot is 91.3% and we've still got room to grow. That only fires me up even more. If you are keeping up with the times and ready to turn things around, click the link in the video description and step into your new reality. Up next, we've got an Australian and a New Zealander. I see the candles hitting a resistance level. What does our robot suggest? Looks like it's telling me to go down. I won't argue. I'd make the same call. Let's wait and see. Well, could it have gone any other way? I don't think so either. Let's keep going. The robot says to check out the new pair. It's advising us to go down again. Well, sometimes going down in trading is a good thing. No doubt, we'll follow. Perfect. How can I not be excited? Especially seeing that numbers go up on the right side. By the way, don't forget, you can copy all my moves in your sessions. On average, I make 700 per session with my subscribers, so join in. I'm really getting into the flow now, and it seems like my bot is too. We're back to our first pair. I see that we've broken the level. We stayed near it for a while before the break, which is a great sign. What does the robot say? Oh, we're going up. Let's go for it. Guys, the most important thing when working with the bot is to pay close attention to its signals. Timing is everything here, and it's all about the seconds. You have to act fast. So before trading, make sure to ask your family not to distract you, and if you are at work, maybe let your boss know too. You know what I've noticed? We're all taught that to get what you want, we need to work ourselves to the bone, put in hundreds of hours and sacrifice our pleasure. And then maybe you'll finally get lucky, exhausted and worn out, and you could enjoy your prize. Does this sound like a plan that works for you? It definitely doesn't for me, which is why I chose trading and made my work even smoother by creating this bot. Now I have everything I want and more, and I'm here to help you skip the hardships and catch a lucky break right now. Join my Telegram channel for simple, detailed info on how to do it. Well, I don't see any reasons for a reversal here. What does the bot say? It's telling us to aim for the top, so we're going up. Nailed it, but that's always the case with the bot. Let's keep going. Okay, let's check our Canadian and Japanese pair. I see we're sitting at a resistance level and some candles with long wicks have formed, so I'm expecting a bounce down. What does the bot say? Yep, it's all lined up. We're heading down. Awesome, we're at the finish line. Just one more push and I'm sure the result will be awesome. We've already received the bot signals. So quickly. I haven't even had time to analyze. But we're not wasting time, we go down. Wow, that was quick, and the result is fantastic. I couldn't be more pleased. The power of artificial intelligence is in your hands. Our bot on Telegram is your reliable companion in the world of trading. Connect AI bot, trade with us, and feel your confidence growing each day as you get exactly what you want, right here, right now. Subscribe. And remember, you're not alone with us. We're a team chasing our dreams. See you soon.